Welcome to Carolyn Braden's Turning the Ordinary into the Extraordinary. Today we're shooting on location in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. It's my 40th birthday and I need to jazz up this place just a little bit more. And what can I jazz it up with? A balloon, flower, of course. And I'm going to show you how to make that today. To make your balloon flower, you'll need the following. You need a balloon flower clip. This is the easiest way to make balloon flowers. I've made several of them and I really like using this thing. I bought mine on Amazon and it came with the kit, came in a kit of lots of others. It also came with a balloon tire and you just slip this over your hand and it helps you be able to knot the balloons a little easier. I don't like using this, but my husband really does and you might like it too. You also need 11 balloons for one flower. The back row of the balloon flower is best made, in my opinion, with 10-inch balloons, and the middle and the center of the flower is best made with 5-inch balloons. You'll also need a way to blow up the balloons. These are kind of small, so you could do it with your own breath if you're only going to bake about one, but I purchased this electric balloon pump on Amazon for about $20, and it has saved me a lot of time and a lot of breath. So I'm going to show you how to use this device first and then we'll get started on the flower. So this balloon pump comes with these little caps, these little extensions that you can turn on. You can keep this on all the time by using the switch, or you can use this little device here. You can use it without it, but I found it works much better with this extension. And when you push in on this, whew, it blows up the balloon very fast. So let's blow up the 10-inch balloons first. I'm just going to show you how to do one and then I'll show you how to do the flower. You just slip it over the little blow up inflator and you've got yourself a balloon very quick. So I'm going to blow up all my balloons and come back and show you how to put together the project. Once you have your first balloon blown up and tied, it's a good idea to make sure that all your other balloons are measured about the same size as that first one. So this one I got pretty close. I let out a little bit of the air and I'm going to knot it and keep going. To get started, I like to start from the center and work my way out. It does get kind of difficult to manage the further out you get, so just be patient with this. If you pop a balloon, oh well. The way you do it is you take your balloon, guide the knot to the center, the knot stays on the bottom side, and this becomes the top side. So that's the center of my balloon. I chose pink. Now let's work on the middle part of your flower. There's an outer clip and an inner clip. We're going to go with this inner clip here. We already did the center, now let's go to the inner clip. Just guide your flower through and let it go. This part just clips in and keep going. All right, so we've got the middle and the center complete. I blew up my center a little large, but that's okay. That's okay. If I don't like it, I can always pull it out and blow up another balloon, but I'm fine with it. So we'll turn it back over and now we're gonna go for the outer clip. So for this one, just pick a spot, stretch the balloon, and get it in the outer clip. If you pop it, like I said earlier, that's okay. So just kind of work with it and get them in that outer clip. And we'll come back and show you a finished balloon flower. So the project is complete. This balloon flower is large and this one is small. I made two. This one is made with 10-inch, 5-inch, and 5-inch balloons. And this one is made with 5-inch, 5-inch, and 5-inch balloons. You can make this however you want. If you pop some, like I said earlier, it's no big deal. To hang or attach them, I just used a little bit of tulle. I just put it through the balloons and then tied it onto this railing. These balloon flowers will last probably over a week. Just note that they'll probably shrink and get a little bit smaller as the week goes on. I made another DIY video on how to make a balloon garland and that lasted for over a week. I made it for my husband's birthday and then my niece borrowed it for one of her parties that she was having. Make these just to brighten your day, make them for a birthday, or make them for someone else to brighten their day. Thanks for watching Carolyn Braden's Turning the Ordinary into the Extraordinary.
Visit Carolyn'sBloomingCreations.com